day of spring.
Woohoo!
And it's also the equinox.
Take a look, guys.
Check out our egg. Standing on its own.
The equinox.
The equinox 2011.
March 21st.
Let me just go outside and look at the moon. Can we see it from this balcony?
Okay.
No, can we?
Can we what?
Can we see it from this balcony?
I think so. Let's take a look.
Let's check it out. Oh, we better turn the light on.
Okay. Oops. Come. I just squirted my eye. Let's go take a look. Follow what to say.
Product. I think it's on the other side of the building, but there's our view. You can't see it in the dark.
There's Metro.
There goes the metro. There goes the bus.
Wow.
Rome by night.
Let's go back into the kitchen.
Get it? Rome by night.
Whoa, she got the egg.
Oh yeah, the equinox.
Swallow, what is wrong? Do you think we can see it in our my balcony?
Yes.
Let's take a look. Walk this way, please.
She's an American.
Welcome into my room.
Is there a light in your balcony?
There we go. Rocky, where's the moon?
What is the moon?
Where are you?
Oh,
It's too cloudy.
okay.
Nippy.
This is the love nest.
Whoa, love.
This is the table set for the party in 3 weeks. It's the amazing
Why
book.
are you walking like that?
Because I have to walk slowly.
And our tea china closet. This is
Alas in Blunderland.
wow. What's next? What's next? What's next? Shall we?
The bidet? the bidet that squirts?
The infamous bidet.
Check out the bidet.
Hey
It's
guys.
gonna get me.
Hey guys, are you ready? It's going to squirt.
It got my leg. You can't see.
It's great. Follow me. Say bye, bidet.
4-leaf clovers. Let's go in here.
Okay.
Thanks, Michelle.
Wow. Look at this
Oh,
one.
it's so clean.
Wow, look at the light bulb.
Huh?
Look at that.
Ooh.
Ooh. One. Why one?
Ooh. It looks like lots. Okay. Over and out. Happy equinox.